So hello everyone, I am Justin Paul H. Leleg, and we're back again for our Smart Table prototype. So this time, I'll be showing you or I'll be demonstrating you our application. So let's get started. So here we are again, back from the login page. So again, we'll be logging in using our school ID and password. So here we go. We'll put password. There we go. We'll be directed to the dashboard layout. So okay, in here you will see classes. First one is the mathematics, physics, and computer science. So this is just the samples. So in here I have two functions, or actually three. So in here you can be join class, and you can also delete classes. But in here I am a student right now, so all I can do is to leave class and join the meeting. So when you're going to join the class, you will be needing a code from your host or your prof. Then next one is the join meeting. So in here, again, you'll be needing to log in your school ID and your password in order for you to get an attendance from the meeting. So in here, I'll put the password again, demo, and password. I'll check in. And then here, it doesn't have any function set, so it's automatic and will be directed to the meeting layout. So in here, this is the meeting layout. So you will see the host presentation, the host and the student. The student, which is the account that you have from your Smart Table Classroom. So in here, we have we have five functions. So only two of these works, the notepad and the end call. So I'll be showing you the notepad. And here you have modes, code, typing, and thing. Then in here, it doesn't have any functions yet. So we'll be creating that for our next demonstration. Then the next one is the end call. So once you click the end call, it will make an error prompt that states, are you sure you want to leave the meeting? Then when you click OK, it will be redirected to the dashboard layout. And that's all of our demonstration that I can show you right now. And for the next demonstration, I hope that there will be more that I can show you. And that's all. And goodbye.